This month we are making some savory and sweet pies, starting today with the Curried Chicken Mini Pie. Hello and welcome back to J&J's Food Basket. These bite-sized curried chicken pies make for a perfect snack at high tea parties or potlucks. For this recipe, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box below. Let's get cooking. So that was another quick video taking you step by step through a very easy and tasty recipe using ingredients available in your own kitchen. Do try it out. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest at J&JS Food Basket.